Okay, so for the oscillator, we have Wien Bridge oscillator with gain controlled by JFET, working as a variable resistance. So this part of the circuit is really important. It's a virtual AC ground, giving it a DC offset. Also, this resistance you have to change it a bit to fine tune it to your circuit. It is very important. This resistance is very important for the amplitude not to vary a lot, for it to be stable over time. This resistance, you will also have to vary this a bit. Okay, so when you're gonna do this oscillator, this capacitor controls the frequencies at which it will oscillate. So this capacitor is really important if you want to like make it oscillate from 100k to about from 1k to about 100 hertz. This should be a 10 nanofarad capacitor. If you want to make it oscillate at about 7 hertz or 1 hertz or something like that, this should be a 1 microfarad capacitor. You will just have to vary it. There. So there is the simulation at about, I'm guessing, like 5 hertz. You could see like a beautiful sine wave. It's actually kind of small in amplitude, and it has an offset, so you'll probably have to do like a voltage follower and then adjust the gain and reduce the offset. Okay, so now I'm gonna make it oscillate like at 1k hertz just to show you that it will work. Also, I changed this value. It's actually 0.1. I had it wrong when I showed you the circuit for the first time. So as you can see, I'll just change this value of the capacitance and changed these resistors to change the frequency of oscillation, and it should work just fine. So there, beautiful sine wave. So I actually went ahead and mounted the circuit, so I will show you. So that's the circuit. I actually added a potentiometer or 2 potentiometers joined by a mechanism just to make a frequency generator, and let me show you. Hold on. So as I vary the knob, I actually vary the frequency. It is kind of bad just because I have just because I'm having the 2 potentiometers are not really that great of a match, but it actually works. So you could just put 2 potentiometers and you have a frequency generator. So whenever you want to go like this can go from like 1 hertz to about, I don't know how much, I'm guessing 100k. I actually tried it at 15k and it actually worked. But since I'm using a cheap op amp, it had a bit of distortion. So there. Also, if you are gonna do this with potentiometers, just buy the ones that are already joined, because as you could see, there are some resistances where the gain is so precise that it will just not oscillate. But yeah, I actually did this because I couldn't find any decent circuit on the internet which showed how to do a sine wave generator, and so that's what I did this. I actually got the idea of the feedback system for for the variable resistance from a YouTube channel. I cannot remember its name now, but I'm gonna link it in the description. I just needed to adapt some capacitors and some resistances. So yep, there's that. Thank you.